Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Kasa Sport Pan Tilt camera in 2026. So in order to reset it, before even resetting it, you need to make sure that your camera is plugged into the power and it should be fully turned on. After doing so, on your Kasa Sport Pan Tilt camera, you need to simply look for the reset button. So the reset button is usually located over here, which will be hidden underneath the camera lens, just like so. So you need to gently tilt the camera lens upward to reveal the small reset button below it. So once you are able to find this type of reset button, you may need a pin or a paper clip in order to press this button. So you just have to simply press and hold this particular button for at least 15 to 20 seconds or until the LED starts blinking amber quickly. So once the light changes, simply release the button and allow the camera to reboot automatically. So that's how basically you can reset your Kasa Sport Pan Tilt camera. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.